Hi guys, this is Shah. In today's video, we're going to see how can you make a social media website using WordPress. So in this website, we can just not only just creating a social media website where you can post everything like photos, slideshows, and quotations, and GIFs, and videos, and a lot more stuff like audio and files too. You can see I have posted many photos and a video file and a file where you can download, and this is my profile pic, and you can see you can like or unlike them, and you can post a comment, and you can mention hashtag to in your post where you can find here at the date mentions. Now you can see we can create groups, and you can list out the members here, and you can make friends, and you can chat with them, and you can see their profile pics, and you can chat with them. You can see message and type the subject where you can send messages, hi something else, that's it, and you can send the message, and you can view the profile pics, and you can add the bio of yours and photos and media files and all, and you can reward your users for just using this website and they can redeem those with points called squash points. I have mentioned it as a squash points, that's it. And you can see where users can redeem their points to gift cards or anything else as you required. You can just give them virtual gifts or any product or any gift cards or any something like Paytm Cash or PayPal Cash. Now this is the overview of this website which we're going to build, and I want to mention that that is everything on this website is made up using just free resources, all free resources. So let's get into the video. So first, what you need to do is you need to get a hosting and a domain, where you can click on the I button and you can find how to get a hosting and a domain for just $1. That means 76 rupees. Now after getting it, you need to set up WordPress. After setting up, you need to just install few plugins and a theme. First, head over to your dashboard, and click on appearance, go to themes, and click on add new, and click on white dot, search for white dot, and click on install, and click on activate. And let's go to themes and delete the remaining themes which are not required. I'm gonna leave this 2021 theme, and let's go to install plugins. First plugin is the main plugin is Buddypress. Buddypress is a plugin which converts your site into a social media website. Again, the next one is Youzify. Click on install now. Youzify helps you to create an awesome new attractive website. It is just like a theme for an Buddypress. And another thing is Woocommerce. This helps you to enable the selling feature, like I have said you, like this one, Steam gift card or any PayPal gift card. Now where is this Woocommerce? Let me just search for it. At last I found the Woocommerce. This is the Woocommerce. Just click on install now. Now another plugin is Mycred. It enables the users to generate the points, and they can redeem the points for the gift cards, like I've said before. This one, this is just like a payment system for the WooCommerce. Now we have installed all the plugins which are required. Just select all and click on activate. Now here you can see that click on repair, where all the membership and creates. Yes, it is successfully selected to the members page and activity page. Now components and all. Now first thing is just go to settings and click on Buddypress and click on friend connections and private, and click on user groups and site tracking, click on save settings. And if you go to options, where you can select show the toggle bar for the logged out users, that means this is the bar you want to show or not, and all the things, and click on post comments, allow the post comments, click on this one, click on pages, and that's it. Now just go to general, and you can here just give your tagline, that is I gonna correct C1 city connect the world, and click on anyone can register, and click on save changes, and go to writing, sorry writing not writing, I think permalinks, sorry permalinks, and select your post name and click on save changes. Now all the basic changes has been set. Now make sure that the Woocommerce pages has been created successfully or not. Yes, activity page, cart page completed. Okay, now what you need to do is just over to your site. Now you can see it is just showing the hello world and something else stuff which we don't require. Let's just start customizing it. Just click on customize and go to site identity, where you can select the logo or just give the title name and connect the world tagline, or you can just hide the tagline where you can't see anything like connect the world. I don't want to hide that. And you can select the favicon, which is the site icon. You can see here the WordPress icon. Now you can give your own icon. Now the header settings, which are you can set image over here, and color, header text color, that is this one, and you have many features in premium version. Now let's go to homepage settings and select a static page and select your page as activity, and select posts. You can just select anything or just leave it not required as much. Now click on activate. Now if you want to edit this all things, now just click on remove. We want to remove all the items. Click on remove and click on publish. Now I just want to edit this menu. Now just go to admin dashboard and go to appearance and go to menus. You can see this is the main menu is something else. Now click on create new menu and name the menu. The menu name is like menu only. Now click on the screen options top right over here and select the Buddypress members and click on and just close this one, and you can see you can just go to Buddypress members and you can see that the Buddypress pages has been activated. Now click on activity and notification, messages, friends, groups, and settings, and logout page and my profile. Just add this to menu. You can add something else like a cart page, shop page, add to menu. I would like to suggest you to keep logout page at the down, and this is something which is not required at all, remaining all. Just click on register and add one. Okay, now click on save menu. Now go to the main site and click on customize. Go to menu and click on menu and click on primary menu. Okay, you can see all the things has been successfully added. Now click on publish, and that's it. We have successfully edited this one. Now let's make the site more attractive by adding the sidebar over here. Just go to your admin panel again and go to appearance and go to widgets. Now you can see activity stream bar here. You need to add something like I would like to have added in this site the profile and the members and the logout page, who's online and logout again. Let me just add something new, something like a Buddypress friends and members, groups. Again, like you can add Youzify my account, and something like member activity analysis. That's it. Okay, this was enough for a great looking. Now if you go to site, you can see the members, groups and hello, and you can just see the logout page. You can customize as you required, anything as per your requirement and all. And now let's go to the main part. How can you customize this thing, like your profile? You can see this one. You can see the main that is here. Now let's go to Mycred and click on allow and continue. Now you can see, click on run setup. Let me just verify it. mail.zoho.com.in. sorry, I haven't got anything now. Mail spam, no. Okay, let me just give me the point as you can just name it as squash points. Again, color is squash points. Yes, remove the S over here. And prefixes, you can just give this like rupees. For rupees we will give RS, and dollars we will give dollars symbol, like that. I will give you SQ, and click on create a point system and click on setup add-ons and just activate this gateway, and that's it. Now I think we can just see the points over here. Yeah, you can see squash points. Now let's go to Woocommerce and go to settings, and here you select these called squash points. Click on save changes and go to payments and click on Mycred option, enable with Mycred, and click on setup and just rename it here as pay with squash points, and that's it. All is okay, and click on save changes. Okay, it has been successfully updated. Now let's see how can you just reward your users using the Mycred option. Just go to squash points option over here and click on hooks. You can see you can give the squash points for user registration, like I will give you like 100 for registration, and click on save. And points for daily visits, for visiting our site, they will give to 1 point. Okay, and points for login, if they log in, they visit, they will just get a 1 point. If they log in, they will just get 10 points, and they will get points for commenting. You can see approved comments, spam comments, and trash. I suggest you to don't give this one. This would be not suggested, because you need to verify every comment. And you can just give the points for publishing content too, or just for reviewing the Woocommerce product, or award for giving groups, creating groups, and if you direct from a group you will get minus points, and updating new group cover, and that's it. Everything would be get 1 point minus, giving points group comment, and you can set as much as you can, 0 point anything, 1. And one more thing, something I was like, yeah, for referring the people, you can just go to and see that you can refer, and this for visits I gonna set it as limit once in total. Okay, and for referring signups you will get like 1000 points. Limit per day is 0, that would be 0 means unlimited, and assign users for each users, and insert referral link in users profile, which would be affiliate program, and you can give a description called earn points for for referring. Click on save, and you can see that we have successfully added all the things. Now let's set up something called go to settings, just forgot to say something, that is Buddypress, and click on include on profile under the tab, and click on history, no, and click on show in profile. You can, that means people can see their points history, and if you want other people to see your points, that means you want to maintain it private, or you want to make it public, you can select each other. Members can view each other scratch point history. I would suggest you to don't turn it on. Click on update changes, and now just go to the main part, that is Youzify. All the thing you will be getting like this stuff, the neat and cool features just for Youzify, because of the Youzify. Youzify is a great plugin. It converts a boring Buddypress theme to an awesome Buddypress theme. Now let's go to Youzify and click on the general settings. Now here you can see the background color of this site would be suggesting like anything. I will be leaving as it like as a default, and you can select the width of the content, that is just this one, the portion which is here and here, that would be not taken into the consideration. The width of from here to here is 1170 pixels. Now if you want a button style as oval or radius or flat, you can select tab icons like gradient and colorful. I would like to select gradient lazy load. That means it will compress your image, and it will just loads up your site faster than normal. And click on OK, and select the login option as a page, and select this login page, and that's it. Specify the margin. You can just margin like a top margining like from top to bottom, giving the space between something. And display scroll button, you can just display the scroll button, and click on scale save changes. This way the changes you have made, sorry for my bad English. And click on wall settings. You can see URL preview and all. Now the some features are premium, where you can get and buy it for $49. If you want premium, you can make amazing sites. I mean, if you get premium, the site would be really amazing. I mean, you can just see I will just show you the demo of this. Yeah, you can see how attractive the demo is. And this is the profile page sections, where you can customize a lot of things in the profile section, and you can just give the phone out for page and all 20+ services and all the author widgets. The author look and all are really awesome. I mean, really awesome. They are adding a ton of features every week. You can see they are adding ton of features every week. You can set up the settings page and all, and you can just manage this manage the users using dashboard and reCAPTCHA and all. And you can you can customize your admin panel to the color of the admin panel, and you can see many features. Okay, now this is the free tutorial, so I'm going to use all the free resources only. If you want to disable tagging the friends, you can just go to premium version. You need to go to premium version. Disable profile activity filter display, you can on or off, and I will suggest you to on. And enable comments and all, maximum number of characters. That means when you type in activity, when you type, the number of limit is 200 words only. You can increase to 2000 or anything. Now, and the maximum post file size is 10 MB, set to 10 MB. Now you can just set to 20 MB or as you wish, 64 MB. And make sure to change this in php.ini file also. And you can just enable comments attachment. That means in comments also users can get the upload the images and videos sorted. And if you post per page, if you want to more posts, then you can just give 6 in groups and activity also. Now click on, after done everything done, just click on save changes. I suggest you to off this new enable activity new purchase post. Now I suggest you to off this. Now go to group settings. Now group settings, you can select the group icon like radial or radius or rectangles or a circle. This is the circle. Now this is not a group, this is a profile picture. I want to select this curved rectangular. Now display our border. I just want to hide this one. Disable and all. Enable cover dark background. I don't want to disable this one, which looks very annoying thing. Let me just create a group and show you how it would look like. Oops. There is a small mistake done by me. That is, you need to change this one. Like, go to menu and select the pages group here, not the Buddypress group here. Just select the pages group. This is the Buddypress one, and just go to pages and click on pages group and add this one. You can see group and click on save menu. And when you try to go to groups, let me just reload the page again and go to groups. You can see I can create a group. That means group name, hi. That's it. Click on create group and continue. And this is a public group. I want to keep all group members. Group invitations. I will just skip this step and cover image. Skip this step. Click on finish. Now you can see this is the group, and I want to show you the you can see here is a circle one. I'm going to give this rounded rectangle. Sorry for the confusion, really. I'm small confusions making. And I want to delete unhide this one, overlay, dark background overlay, this one, and dotted pattern. You can see the back dotted pattern, that one. And header color, you can just set the header color or anything. And you can see default group avatar. You can just select any avatar like a group icon. Let me just go to undraw and search for group. Sorry, groups. And you can see this one is looks okay. Let me just download this one, and let me just select I will drag and drop this one. Click on select. It would be normal basic default group image. If you don't set an image, that let me just reload, and you can see this one has been attached, and you can see curved rectangle has been added, and there is no dotted pattern and all. Now it would be looking awkward somewhat. Okay, and if you want to customize your layout, that means here the layout anything, you need to go to upgrade for the premium one, where you can align the profile on the right or the left or in the middle or on the middle, like middle of this spot or anything else. If you want, you can just update it by just $50, and you can go to media settings, enable group media, uh, leave as it is default one, and the bookmark settings and all that would be making all them default. It would be really great. Notification settings and all, and member directory settings, enable cards cover and all, that would be really great. And card author, I would suggest you to keep the rounded one. Click on OK. Groups, directory settings, and again select this one. Make sure to make all the changes as it is possible. If you have changed group 1 to circle, just keep all at as circle, or you can just go to or else it would be really awkward. Now you can see the author box layout. That would be like you can select any one, like enable photo transparent background, yes, and click on city, or you can just give the username. I will just show you, like when I go to my profile, you can see here I can just go here you can see the city or the username. Like I would say this you to keep this one, and close this one, and click on save changes. And social network settings, that means you can add any users can add their social network. Let me just go to profile settings and just click on here. They can add the Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you want to add YouTube, you can just give the silver color and flat icon and click on save changes, and click on, if you want to add anything like YouTube, just go to here and search YouTube and select the color and go to YouTube, click on save. All fields are required. Yeah, I have given all the fields, right? Click on save. You can see YouTube has been successfully added. Now when you reload this, you cannot see YouTube. Just a minute. Click on save changes. Yeah, you can see now it is showing YouTube. Now emoji settings, you can enable emojis and all. And scheme settings, the basic color structure of your website would be enabled. Like I would select orange and click on save changes. And panel settings, that was panel color and all, save changes. And you can see it was converted to pink one. And you can just go to Woocommerce settings and enable Woocommerce integration, and go to Mycred settings and click on it is previous already enabled. Now let's go to profile settings. Now the general profile, allow private profiles, that means users can create convert their public profile into private profile, and load profile elements with effects, and you can just enable it. And default profile author, that would be, I suggest you to make upload of this one, desktop, and mail one, select one. Okay, and cover photo, default cover photo, I will just leave it. Now if I reload this one, you can see the profile, default profile for every user will be set this until then, unless they edit their profile. Now you can see, and click on save changes and go to profile structure. The profile structure is the right sidebar of this one. That means, let me just go to here, profile one, and you can see this, the bar, right sidebar, recent post. If you want to hide or unhide anything, you can just give it. Like I just want to hide this login button, and user badges, media, friends, and all Flickr groups and all things. You can just manage them by putting them top. Click on it, click on save changes. Now just reload it. You can see the media section has been successfully put on top, and the user balance about me, and that I would suggest you to keep about me on the top, and all the things, user badges and email and all. And let me, if you want to add these all things, email and addresses and about me section and all, first of all go to your profile and go to profile settings, and you can add your name over here. Click on save changes, account settings, widget settings, go to about me, and you can upload your avatar. I would be uploading like this one. Yep. Type your full name, Harsha. That's it. And description of your position, like a web developer, and your biograph. I will just copy my biograph from here. Hi, this is Shah, making channels and all about me. Just click on save changes. And the skills is the thing what you know about the, I know web development, like of, I know 100% of it, 100%. And select the color. I would like to select this red one, or like reddish, yeah, yellow. Okay. And let me just add new skill called app development, and let me just keep like 78%, and the color bar would be green. Click on save changes. Now you can add your portfolio, that is add new photo, upload the photo, title and all. And I don't want to add that. And slideshows, like something where you really want to show your users, and services what you provide, like add new service, and click on the service type. That would be like AWS server management. I will manage your AWS servers. Click on save changes. And projects which you have done before, and quotations like links, and that's depends on you. And your Instagram link would be suggest to connect your account Instagram, like go to network settings, and you can give your Instagram, and it will be added over there. And Flickr also, Flickr format ID, you can just add it. Now if you go to your profile, just view profile, click on view profile, you can see about me and the skills you have in app development, web development, and services you provide, and all that would be listed over here. Now you can see the main widget section, which is showing over here, services and photos, links, videos and all. And I would like to suggest you to keep like a video top, and the skills of this, and okay, that would be okay. And click on save changes. Let me just add the post. Go to activity, and let me just add a photo, like photosynthesis. Okay, post, and like another thing, like a slideshow, open, post, and you have created a slideshow or any video. Oh, I don't have a video for now. Just a link, add your link title, brief link, description, audio file, and photos, slideshow, quotation, and all, and a lot of stuff as you require. Now let's see how can you customize this overview, info, and more, these sections. Now let's go to head over to tab settings, sorry, and click on the default one as activity one. Click on save changes. Now I want to show activity first and info second and overview third. Now this activity set as default one, and I want to show info second, right? It is selected the order 2. Now just go to overview and select this one as 3, and the activity tab is first one, and anything that would like a friends one is like session like 1, 2, 5. Click on save changes. Now if you reload this, you can see activity has been shown first, info, overview, media, friends, and more. That will be shown here. That's it. Let's go to now header settings. Enable user status or offline or online. You can see this one, online or offline. Now country and the link, second meta tab, and header media settings. Like I have saying you that if you want to use it, you can add a city or the username, and just select this one, header over effect, close, display, and remove this one, pattern on also. And you can see the profile settings. There are a lot more profile settings, like you can customize this page as you much required. If you go to premium, go to navbar settings. The navbar settings are also same as the header settings. You can customize it, and review settings are also enabling the review and review edition, and okay, review privacy, public or private or friends. You can select anything. Reviews per page is 25. Okay, and if you want to add AdSense ad, or you want to add any custom ad, you can just go to ad section and select the ad. Is this sponsored? Yes, it is sponsored. Ad name and A1, and you can select the AdSense code like this one, or you can just go to banner and upload the pic of your ad. Select this one and click on add as URL, this one. Click on save. That's it. You can see ad has been successfully added. Now it is a sub tab settings, nothing is shown here, and you can add custom tab also. That means here the custom tabs, but you can see it was in a premium edition only. And you can select the info tab colors like this one, and anything like anything that stuff you like. And post tab settings are the same, and media tab and all that would be depending on you. Comments tab and all, and account verification settings, enable verify account. That means when I click on verify, the account will be verified. Now I'm an admin, so it is been verified, but if you're a user, it is not going to verify. Now let's go to widget settings. Now select the widget like this one and click on save changes. About me settings, display about me, and select this one. Click on save changes and post settings. I suggest you to go through it and do as much as customization you can, but I suggest you to leave as it is. Now the skill settings, all this would be really great options for if you go to premium settings. Now user balance settings, which is Mycred settings, display title, and click on user balance and fade in loading effect, and you can just use a color or right color and left color. That means gradient color, which is going to mix two colors like this one. You can see blue and the purple has been mixed. this is the color where you can mix the colors. And user badges, you can just go to badges and give the users badges. I suggest you to do this or leave it, because I have added the point system, so I don't want to add the badge system. And friend settings, you can display the title, and if you want to display the free display. And group settings and all social network settings, all other settings where you can keep as much as customization you can do. Custom widget settings. Now this one is premium again, and let me just close this one, and loading effect fade in. Now let's go to membership settings. Hide dashboard for the subscribers. Admin toolbar, that is this bar, should be hidden for these registered users. And click on save changes and click on login settings. Okay, and all which is really great. And cover, header settings, enable cover, login. You can select the login form as you required. I will just select this one, and let's save changes. I will just show you in incognito page. Let me just show here, and I want to show that the register button is showing now here, and it will be not shown here. Now if you want to log in, just go to register and click on login. You can see the buttons has been side by side. If I had like this, click on save changes, up and now it would be up and down and all. You can customize as much as you can. And if you want to upload the cover picture like here, and let me just upload like this photosynthesis photo. Nice. I want to pick my website greenery. Click on select and click on save changes. Now let's reload this page, and you can see greenery one image. The same for registration settings. Why I'm talking this much slow? Okay, let's upload. Let's set the same as greenery one, and the same for this. I would like to select this one and click on save changes. When you click on create a new account, you can see the photo has been successfully added, and all the things. Click on sign up and button. And now let's go to lost password. If you have forgot your password, like forgot password, lost somewhere else, like you can just give the any photos upload. Click on, let me just drag and drop this one. Click on select, and this would be our photo for your lost password. Like when you click on login, if you forgot lost password, you can see this one. Thinking about the password, just give your email and you will get all the thing to your reset link to your mail. And captcha settings, and you can enable the captcha using the reCAPTCHA site, which is powered by the Google. And you need to get the Google Google Cloud account for this. I'm not going to show this one. You can just refer to the book or documentation, and you can go to social login settings and enable the social login. I would like to disable this one, because if you enable, you can see Facebook settings. That means you can log in through Facebook or Twitter or Google or LinkedIn or anything like stuff called Instagram or Twitch. Let me just click on save. I will just disable it. If you want to enable it, then you can refer this thing. Go to developers and read them. That's all the things you can just refer it. And go to social login items. Sorry, logged out many times. If account has been tried for 4 times, it would be blocked. I mean, for that day it would be locked. Okay. And newsletter settings, you can enable the MailChimp and Mail star settings, and if you want, I don't want to that stuff. Okay, and login styling, you can select the style of these buttons which I've shown you before, the buttons over here and text color over here. Now I will leave cities default and the registration also the same. That's it. That's it. This is the section. Let's go to extensions, and you can see you can find the paid extensions. I would like to suggest you to take this premium edition of the user and Mycred integration, where you can give your users for just posting the updating your activity and all stuff. You can provide users a great full of social media reward system. And that's it for this user settings. Now let's try to create an account in new tab. Let's go to register, and I would like to give Harsha YT an email address. Let me just go to temp mail. Now I would like to giving real mail. Now I want to show something for you. Regards 28 Zoho, Yahoo. Name regards and click on sign up. Now let me just go to my mail. Yahoo mail login, password. Okay, we just go to mail, and here you can see that activation mail has been sent to you. Now in some cases you cannot find in the main section, you can find in the spam section. At that time, what you need to do is you need to change your email address. You can see WordPress edit yt.splasher.net. It was sent by a normal mail, not just a real mail. Now let me just change this mail. Before that, let me just check out active my account. Click on active, and you can see activated your account. Login. Click on login, and let me just what's the type again? Let me enter checkout. Who? And you can see I have registered a new account. I have logged in and successfully it has been created. Now I can also post some photos and images and all. You can see this is another account. You can see the verified symbol of this offline. It shows offline. You can just give the rating, add a review and all, and click on add friend, and let me just accept my friend request to myself. Let me just go to the profile and click on my file section. Click here, click on accept. Now text has been successfully friend for me. That means me for me, friendship for me. And you can message him, you can select the users over here and click on subject. It would be test. Hello Tickets, you are making I'm sorry, but making awesome videos on YouTube. Okay, that's it. Send message, and you can see I have got a message inbox, and you can see I have got a message from Harsha. And sorry, I have clicked on profile pic. Just click on view, mask red, and click on the subject one, and you can just reply, thank you my friend. Thank you my friend. That's it. You can just reload this page and you can see thank you my friend has been successfully added. Now you can see I have got square shot of 111 points. Amazing, right? Let me just go to my history and check how I got 100 points for becoming a member, visiting a site, for logging in 10 points. That would be how the grade works. Okay, this is how the grade works. Now let's see how can you change this WordPress at the rate by it is crashshot.net to how would be changing like contact. Yeah, let me just create a contact at the date. I have created I think I have created already an email. I know. For that you need to install a plugin called Mail by WP Forms. WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. Sign into your account. Let me just go to account. Got it there. Zoho mail.il. Your password. I would like to verify with another one. Now go to your email section. Click on select. You can see I have mail.contact@techus.com. Contact. Now go to this one and email server information. POP or IAMP. Now activate this plugin. First time I'm making this much long tutorial, so I was something nervous. So sorry for this inconvenience faced for my side. From my side, go to dashboard and now go to your email address. Just change it to contact@techus. This one. Oh. Screenshot and select as other SMTP. You can just go select this one, SMTP host. The host would be IMAP. Sorry, this one outgoing SMTP. And click on TLS and account. Give your password and click on save settings. And email test. Send mail. Okay, now just go to my mail and you can see this is the test mail I have got from SMTP Screenshot. Now let's try to register. Let me just sign out, log out, click on create account and go to temp mail. Or let me just click on forgot my account, forgot my password. What's password? Click on your mail. Sorry. Mail. Yes, you can see I got a mail from contact@techartsyt.com. Now if you click on this, you can just create a new password and you can log in with the password. Now we have successfully done all the things where you can just go to this one. Now sorry if I forgot to make you one thing, that is product, adding the product, the main thing. If you want to reward your friends, or sorry, reward your users with something like a Steam gift card or Paytm Cash, you can just give them $5 one, and I would be pricing like it would be virtual and pricing like 50,000 squash points, and set the featured image, upload, download. I have added a Steam gift card image and click on separate image and copy this one and click on save. That's it, and click on publish. Now if you go, you can see squash points 50,000. You can get $5 one. Click on add to cart and click on view cart. Now you can just click on proceed with checkout, but you don't have the points, you have just 11 points. Sorry, there are no available payments for this, please contact. So what we do is, if you want to give your users something points called 500, like I would like to add points for me, click on adjust, go to users and click on adjust and enter the points for like 50,000, 5 lakhs. Okay, click on update, then just click on reload and click on place order. I think we need to give all the details and H. I'm in India. Click on YDRABAD, Hyderabad. Select Andhra Pradesh 500085, phone number and like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 0. Click on thank you, your order has been placed, and you can see my points has been debited. You can see I have like 450,011 points. That's it. Okay, and if you go to your products, Woocommerce, you can see, can't skip, no thanks. Now you can see you have received an order, an order will be placing. Now you will get a mail which you have given. You can see your order has been placed for 50,000 smash points, and you will get a mail to this. You can send the mail to this one. Click on completed and click on update. Just send the mail of the gift code. Search for the product and click on mail. You are seeing, you can see your order has been successfully processed, and now it has been completed successfully. That's it. Now all set up, we can wrap this video. That's it, I think. Yeah, all done. That's it. And anything else like settings, friends, message, notification, and all, shop cart. Okay, you have a logo, so let me just remove this one. In menu, go to appearance and menu and remove this cart option. Click on save changes. Let me just add the login button too. Click on save changes. Now let's go reload and remove this logout button. Click on save changes, and you can see just one logout and cart page and search option, and all the stuff has been successfully filled in this site. So finishing up. Thanks for watching this video. I was really tired for speaking out 1 hour. I know it is hard to listen my voice for 1 hour. Really, I have made bad video, I think so. Now I have explained all the things. That's it. Anything else I want to show? Yeah, you can see the views. If you reload this one, you can see I have 35 views. That's it. Anything you can just customize in the user settings. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to give a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Arts. And you can just make a social media website in just 10 minutes by watching this video up on the section. That's it. Signing off. This is Shasha. Like, share and subscribe.